In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change cursor settings on TradingView. To follow along, make sure you're looking at any chart inside TradingView. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a vertical toolbar. At the very top of that bar is the first icon. This is the cursor icon. It controls how your mouse pointer behaves on the chart. Go ahead and click that first icon. When you click it, a small menu will expand, showing the different cursor styles you can switch to. These are the preset options TradingView provides, so you can tailor your charting experience to what feels most comfortable and useful. You'll typically see choices like a crosshair, a simple arrow, or a small dot. The exact labels can vary, but the idea is the same. Each option gives you a different way to point, measure, and read your charts. Now, pick the cursor style you want by clicking on it. The change is immediate, so as soon as you select your preference, your cursor updates right on the chart. That's all it takes. One click to open the cursor menu and one click to choose your new pointer. Here are a few quick tips to help you decide which one suits you best. The crosshair is the most precise option for analysis. It makes it easy to line up your view with exact price levels on the vertical axis and timestamps on the horizontal axis. If you often check exact highs, lows, or candle closes, the crosshair keeps everything aligned and easy to read. The arrow is a familiar standard pointer that feels natural for general navigation, presentations, or when you're guiding someone through a chart. The dot is minimal and unobtrusive, which can be helpful if you prefer a cleaner look and don't want the cursor to draw attention away from your price action. If your chart feels cluttered or you're losing focus on key levels, switching to a simpler cursor can immediately make your view feel clearer. On the flip side, if you need maximum precision while placing drawings or reading values, the crosshair can save time and reduce mistakes. And that's the entire process. Click the first icon on the left toolbar, choose the cursor style you prefer, and you're done. You can change it anytime, and your choice will stick as you continue analyzing your charts. Give each option a try and pick the one that best fits your workflow. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined charting experience.